subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Tissot launched the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar a few months ago, but it has taken until now for the device to come to market. The T-Touch Connect Solar will be available for around €900 starting from November 2nd, with Tissot delivering orders from either the end of next month or the beginning of December. While €900 is expensive for a smartwatch, the T-Touch Connect Solar is not your average smartwatch. Technically, the T-Touch Connect Solar is a hybrid smartwatch. Hence, Tissot has combined the classic movement of a traditional watch, a touchscreen display. The company has done so used a memory and pixel (MIP) display, which allows the device to sip power compared to regular smartwatches. Additionally, the T-Touch Connect Solar has solar cells, as some Garmin smartwatches do. In the case of the T-Touch Connect Solar, these cells allow the device to recharge itself via sunlight. Tissot has pre-installed SWALPS on the T-Touch Connect Solar 2, an OS that the Swatch Group developed in partnership with XEM. The smartwatch is also waterproof up to 100 meters and supports GPS, along with all the other general smartwatch features like smartphone notifications. However, Tissot will enable GPS navigation functionality in summer 2021, for some reason. The T-Touch Connect Solar will be available in 6 color options, of which 5 have a silicone strap. If that is not your thing, then the 6th has a titanium linked strap for a classy look. The titanium strap has the same hypoallergenic coating that Tissot has used for the body of the watch. Meanwhile, Tissot has used scratch-resistant ceramics for the watch body and sapphire glass to protect the front of the guys. I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.